Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the phone and closing power-heavy apps. This clears temporary load. Next, open Settings then Battery. On some phones, it's under Device Care. Why do this first? Because the battery screen reads real usage and gives a live percent and estimated time, which you need for accurate checks. Once done, glance at the main meter and any listed app usage. Make sure to note the percentage and the estimated remaining hours before proceeding to deeper analysis. You now tap into battery usage to see which apps drain power. This shows foreground and background consumption so you can act. If an app shows high background usage, force stop or restrict it, because background activity often causes the biggest drain. Make sure to enable Battery Saver or Adaptive Battery when you need extended life. These limit background work and reduce refresh rates. Once you adjust app settings, monitor screen-on time and wake clocks for the next hour to confirm improvements. You finish with advanced checks. Reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit, and run any built-in diagnostics if available, because hardware faults can mimic software drain. If readings jump erratically, try calibrating by charging to 100%, then fully discharging once. This can correct the reporting. If problems persist after updates and safe testing, consider battery replacement or a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure to back up your data first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.